everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and we have Kitty.
Hi.
And it's our last half of our Disney trip this spring. Yeah, so we have Genie passes happening, we have food and wine happening, we have the show that Kat has never seen happening. So we have a lot happening. It is 4 something. Our Genie pass started like 10 minutes ago, so by the time we get there it'll be like clutch, you know, right on time. But yeah, let's go ahead and eat. So the park is still bananas. Everything's super long, and our Genie pass, the Genie pass, the ride stopped, so they gave us like a free Genie pass. So yeah, and the wait times are crazy right now. I don't know. So I think we're gonna go to animation and see if that's also bananas, but we'll see.
Your characters from A to Z reflect your personality.
She's gonna draw the stick figure 33 times. Wait, now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. So maybe 16 times.
Let's go see what they're doing over here.
No, I was at first. See,
And the stick figure will be dancing.
You should rip off your part, Aubrey.
37 minutes later and we're done. Wait, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4,
now
5,
it's gone.
You guys by any chance didn't see a random phone here?
It's a stitch.
19. Satisfied with your work?
I'm very satisfied. Beautiful. I don't know why they don't just hire me.
So today she learned that she could be an singer, animator.
This one just do the same thing.
It's the same thing, yeah. Get it, 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 get it.
Oh, this one's a lot clearer.
So it makes me be okay.
Wow, these dance moves are all over the place, girl. She had a few drinks.
Alright, Kitty's getting the macaron.
Mickey-shaped macaron made with Snickers. It's a chocolate Mickey-shaped macaron filled with caramel ganache made with Snickers bar pieces.
Nice. That's about cheese.
We got the macaron. It really did not take that long, honestly. They have a good flowy system going on.
Kat likes that they play music. She's like, I like that they play music. And I'm like, yeah, it's for the event. And we agreed that they should play music year round. It creates an atmosphere. Okay, so here's the update. We got carbonara,
Yeah.
mac and cheese
Yeah.
with bacon.
Yes.
And then we got sirloin steak, potatoes, and chimichurri sauce. And then we're picking up our last one here at Caliente.
Pepper caliente.
Oh, Pepper Caliente. On a little bench for us to sit at because we don't understand any. Yeah. Here's the deal. You can, where it says order everything. Like be ready with all 8 items or all, no, what is it? Yeah, all 8 items.
4 to 8 items.
Yeah, or 4 items. Order them all at the same time. You'll get a receipt that looks like this. And then it'll show everything from different kiosks. It doesn't have to be the same kiosk. These are all from different kiosks, all 4 of them.
Yeah, literally.
And then you go to the pickup and you show your receipt. You go to the pickup, you show your receipt, and that's it. So don't wait in line 4 times. Wait in line 1 time, and then do the pickup 4 times. Yeah, we'll let you know how the food is, but it's getting cold, so. Okay, so I had a little bit of mine. I got it from the garlic booth. I don't remember the name. I love you so much or something. And that's not a lie. I don't know what it's called. Pretty good. Pretty garlicky. Pretty oniony. I'm gonna need a gum or something afterwards. How's your initial mac and cheese?
That's good. It's from Delish. I like the bacon bits. They're nice and crispy. I like the little pieces of cheese and whatever else is on top. You know, like little crumbs of deliciousness. So,
Would you get it?
a little cold on top, but would I get it again? No, but only because mac and cheese hurts my stomach if I eat too much.
You know. You put banana chile relleno. Love it. Should have gotten 4 of them. And then Kitty ate some of her macaron. And she liked it.
I did. I don't normally like macarons. They just they taste like too dry and sad. This one was good.
Yeah, we're the same. We're not a big macaron people, but we liked it because it doesn't taste like a macaron. It tastes, I don't know.
Delicious.
So yeah, overall good. Yeah. Would I repeat the steak over the empanada? No, I would get 2 empanadas. But do I regret it? No, because I wanted to try
I
it.
would get these again.
I'm gonna need a drink at Pim's. Imagine us. Pick a quarter. Nice. I like these cups for ice. I know that sounds weird, but
I like these cups because they're beakers.
How long has it been?
An hour and 50 minutes basically.
We're in the pre-show. We have another 15 to go. Would you cry if it stopped working?
You guys were amazing!
What do we get? More than TV4.
I'll take it.
Very good.
Hey, thanks for attending our open house presentation.
Alright, we got off Web Slinger. It took 2 hours. Definitely not a 2-hour ride. Don't wait 2 hours.
Not a 2-hour ride for anybody who hasn't ridden it. No.
We had already waited an hour. So at that point it's like cut your loss, or I don't know, it was one of those. I think the worst part, I think it would have been less than 2 hours, but the worst part was lightning lane, which we have lightning lane too, so you know we're part of the problem. But they were letting
For like every 2 people in every 2 groups in standby line, the rest were all lightning lane.
yeah, so they would let in like literally the group in front of us, it was 4 plus 3, so 7, and then lightning lane. So imagine like 30 people lightning lane. Then it was like us 2 and a couple, so 4 of us. The rest of them lightning lane. So for every 4, probably 30 like lightning
it's
lane.
insane.
So even though you're already waiting 2 hours, you're gonna wait another time because all the lightning lane people are coming back. So they need a better system, I think.
Yeah.
And they need to cut off lightning lanes for Web Slinger at a certain point, so that if it crashes and crashes and crashes, you're not creating more lightning lanes for it. So yeah. With that being said, Kat said she would wait. Oh well, she said she would wait maybe 20 minutes for it.
20-30 minutes. I mean, it's kind of like a Toy Story Mania and whatnot.
Yeah.
More high tech, obviously.
More high tech. And usually it's a little more fun if you're, you know, not waiting for 2 hours and then you're watching like so many people go in front of you. We met some nice people though.
Yeah.
So that was nice.
That was nice.
We have 3 lightning lanes. Speaking of like how bad that is, we have 3 lightning lanes coming up, so that should make the rest of our night a little more smooth. Estimated wait time 75 minutes. Lightning lane is kind of long, but not as long. Sometimes they put us over there for lightning lane and over here, so it's long but not excessive long.
Galaxy, let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ow! Ow! What was... That was not part of the plan! What? Of course I is!
She survived!
I survived. I was so nervous.
She was really nervous. The last time she rode it, she remembers it being like
Bad.
really bad. And
I used to hate those rides, those types of rides.
yeah. And this happened at Disney World because she was not into the Tower of Terror.
No, I love the Tower.
It became her favorite and we rode it so many times.
We did.
And
You
for
were like, please stop.
And for this one, it was the same. She was like nervous, and then we get off, and she's like, "Okay, we can do it again." So she survived, but we have 2 genies before this one again. But the plan is to do 1, 2, 3, and then run to the show. Yeah. Okay, we got row 1, and I think this is the one we wanted. It's either 1 or 3. I always forget. I think it's 1. I just don't want to look at shoes. Oh, my feet are gonna love this. Although Soarin' is like, it's wonderful when you're on it and you're like, ah. The moment your feet touch the ground, it is the worst. It's like, just kidding. And it's literally just kidding for us because we have to power walk for the last hour. So just kidding is right. Yeah, this one went faster than it looked. Okay, so we didn't get the top. So if you are 1, you won. That's how I'm gonna remember it.
Came in first.
Yeah, if you are 1, you won because you're at the top.
And you don't see any feet, no shoes.
Yeah, soaring around California was so nice.
Exactly what I remembered.
I feel like it's a little bit longer. The smells were strong. I love the orange smell.
Oh, me too.
But yeah, it was overall really good. The feet got a little break.
Oh, yeah.
yeah, overall nice. And now we're rushing to get to Goofy, and then hopefully back to Guardians, and then the show. As you know, part of my vlog, the last hour is always this. That's part of it. I don't know why. I'm out of breath. But it is 9:49. We did that walk in 8 minutes. We have this, and then we need to haul one more time back to the show, and then out. All right, we got off Guardians again. So much fun. We got on the other side. Kitty liked the other side more from the bottom because you feel the drops less. Still fun, you just feel them less. And we got a different song. I think I like the first song more. We have 3 minutes until the show starts, so we're getting water
From all the screaming.
and then we're gonna head over to the show. I don't think we'll make it to our virtual queue, but we'll find a spot and watch it. It'll be fine.